Hello, good afternoon, class. Okay, today we study about science, about sounds and noise. Okay, so but before that, we will um, we will learn some new vocabulary about the difficult words that we can see uh, in our textbooks. The first thing is, okay, please repeat after me. Loudness. Again, loudness. Okay. Number two, the next word is inventor. Inventor. Next, decibel. Decibel. Air drum. Air drum. Noise. Noise. Sounds. Sounds. Unpleasant sound. Unpleasant sounds. Pleasant sound. Pleasant sound. Aircraft. Aircraft. Volume. Volume. Tearing. Tearing. Thunder. Thunder. Damage. Damage. Okay, these are the words that we can found in our textbook. Okay, today we study about the sounds. Okay, try to listen. Okay, what is the difference between sounds and noise? Okay, sounds, it is a vibration that travels through the air. Okay, or a pleasant to hear, constant pitch, regular periodic motion, produces meaningful communication. Okay, this is the meaning of sounds. We can hear any sounds around in our surrounding. Okay, again, sounds, it is a vibration that travels through the air. A pleasant to hear, constant pitch, regular periodic motion, produces meaningful communication. Okay, this is all about the sound. How about the noise? What is noise? Okay, noise, it is a sound, especially one that loud or unpleasant to hear. No regular periodic motion. Produce no meaningful communication. Okay, this is the difference between the sounds and noise. Okay, there are two kinds of sounds. Okay, we have two kinds of sound. The first is pleasant sounds. What is a pleasant sound? Okay, so a pleasant sounds can be defined as sounds which feel happy to hear. Okay, these sounds that you like to hear. Okay, is defined as sounds we feel happy. Okay, so there are examples of pleasant sounds. Okay, we have some examples of a pleasant sound. Example, chirping of birds. Okay, the chirping of some birds. I think birds is singing. Okay, it is good to hear. Okay, or splashing of the waves of the sea. Okay, example, you're going to the beach. Okay, you hear the waves splashing. So it's good to hear. Next, the piano music. Okay, the piano music is good to hear as well. River flowing. Okay, we can hear the river flowing. Okay, next, waterfalls. Okay, another set examples are the waterfalls. Okay, the waterfalls, laugh of a baby. Okay, falling leaves. Okay, these are the examples of pleasant sounds. Okay, how about the unpleasant sounds? Okay, unpleasant sounds can be defined as the sounds can be irritated as and can cause headache. Examples, there are a lot of examples of unpleasant sounds that can be irritated us and can cause a bad headache. Example, a crying baby. Okay, so we are still annoyed about a crying baby. Next, a dog barking. Okay, you listen many dogs barking. Sounds of construction sites. Okay, you hear some construction working, you hear a bad noise and we feel annoyed. Next, horn of vehicles. Okay, the horns of some vehicles or transportation. Okay, a loud stereo. Okay, some loud stereo, somebody's turn it on their stereo loudness so it can annoy someone. Okay, screaming. About screaming to someone else. And a rocket taking off. Okay, these are the set examples of unpleasant sounds. Okay, but before that, we need to continue about our class is about noise. Okay, it says that a while ago, some sounds are pleasant while the others are unpleasant. So loud and unpleasant sounds are called noises. Okay, we can use a sound level meter to measure the loudness of the sound. The unit of the sound is called decibel. Okay, this is an instrument or a unit of sound. We can measure how is the sound, the loudness of the sound using the dB or decibel. Okay, so I have the chart below shows the loudness of different sounds. Okay, we have different loudness of sound based on the unit. Okay, there's a unit from 0 to 180. Okay, this is measured the unit of loudness. Okay, so from 0 to 10. Okay, before that, we read first some words here. Okay, the first one is rocket taking off, flying airplane, loud stereo in the room, thunder, cheering, moving train, conversation, and falling leaves. Okay, these things are measured using the units of sound. Okay, so falling leaves. Okay, we start from the very last, the falling leaves. Okay, it measures from 0 to 10. Okay, so 0 to 10, it means barely heard. Okay, when you were going to under the tree, we heard some falling leaves. Okay, so we barely heard. So in units of loudness, it starts from 0 to 10. Next, conversation. Okay, when someone talking about business. Okay, to have a cup of coffee. So conversation, it starts from 20. Okay, conversation is from 20 to 40. Okay, the measurement of conversation is from 20 to 40, means it is quiet. Okay, this is based on the unit measurements of loudness. Next, how about the moving? Okay, how about the moving train and cheering? Okay, we heard a moving train or a cheering during Sport Fest. Okay, the measurement of the loud is from 50 to 90. From 50 to 90, it called as loud. Okay, it is loud because you feel annoyed of these sounds. Okay, next, loud stereo in the the room. Thunder. Okay, the loud stereo in the room and thunder. Okay, it starts from 90 to 120. Okay, the unit of loudness is 90 to 120. Okay, it means frequent exposure causes permanent damage to the ear. Okay, it means it can cause damage to our ear about this instrument and even a thunder. Okay, next, how about the flying airplane? Okay, a flying airplane from 120 to 150. It means it's quite high. Okay, the loudest from 120 to 150. It means sounds which cause discomfort and pain. Okay, discomfort and pain. Next, the rocket taking off. Okay, we know that the rocket when taking off is too loudly and it can from 170 to 180 units of sound. So instant damage to our eardrum. Okay, we have a chance to damage our eardrum because of the loudest sounds of a rocket taking off. Again, okay, this one more time. The following leaves from 0 to 10 means barely heard. You can hear a little sounds. Okay, from 20 to 40, okay, a conversation, okay, means quiet. Okay, next, moving train and cheering. Moving train and cheering is from 50 to 90, means it loud. Okay, loud stereo and thunder from 90 to 120. Frequent exposure causes permanent damage to the ear. Okay, next, flying airplane from 120 to 150. It called sounds which cause discomfort and pain. And the last is the rocket taking off. Okay, can instantly damage our eardrum. It can be short from 170 to 180 unit of sounds of loudness. Okay, so listening to noises above. Okay, this is listening noises above 90 dB. dB means the decibel, okay, the unit of sound, 19 dB. Okay, sorry. 19 dB for an extended period of time can damage the ears and cause deafness. Okay, when we see deafness, used from construction site, like rock music. Okay, the construction sites. This is the construction sites, rock music, aircraft. Okay, contribute a noise pollution. Okay, when you say contribute a noise pollution. What are the other sources of noise pollution? Okay, that you know. What are the other types of noise pollution that you know? Okay. Okay, these are the construction site, rocket music, and aircraft. Okay, what else are air pollution that you know? Okay, so I have given already. Okay, some of the noise pollution. Okay, next, what can we do to reduce and prevent noise pollution? Okay, there are things we can do to avoid or prevent a noise pollution. When we are listening to music or watching television, we should keep the volume at reasonable level to reduce the noise pollution to our surrounding. No? Because some people are like to open their turn on their stereo loud, very loud. So some people are getting annoyed. Okay, so this is we do on how to reduce or prevent a noise pollution to our surrounding. Okay, so We must wear air protectors. Okay, some people are when they are outside or working in the company. Okay, they are working in a big company. They are wearing a sound protector in order to protect their air from the noise. Okay, so machines to protect our ears. Okay, so now, the example, the car company, okay, is very louding and are produce a lot of noise. Some workers in a company, they are wearing an air protector to protect their air from the noise. Okay, we should also stay away from source of noise. Okay, in our classroom, okay, some students are very noisy. So, some teachers or people or your friends inside the classrooms are getting annoyed from the noise. Okay, so before anything else, a person discovered a decibel. Okay, there's a person discovered a scientist, Alexander Graham Bell, invent the decibel, and he is the one also invented the telephone circuit. Okay, this man is Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone as well as the inventor of the decibel. Okay, decibel means a unit of sounds. Okay, so this is all about our topic for today. Okay, so I have some. Okay, so let's do this in our house. Okay, these are the worksheets. Okay, worksheets for us today. Okay, so there are 15 words. Okay, 15 words to be answered in our worksheet. Okay, I will read first. The first word is frequency, decibel, loudness, air protector, noises, sound level meter, noise pollution, vibration, deafness, high, pitch, medium, different, hertz, nearer. Okay, these are the words. Okay, the vocabulary words. Okay, what we're going to do is to write the correct answer on the space provided. Okay, this is this is for today. Okay, so next week we study about another chapter of our lesson. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day.